try with help from my friends. Do you need anybody? I need somebody to love. Could it be anybody? I want somebody to love. Would you believe in love at first sight? Yes, I'm certain that it happens all the time. What do you see when you turn on the light? I can't tell you, but I know it's mine. Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends. I get high with a little help from my friends. Oh, I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends. Do you need anybody? I just need someone to love. Could it be anybody? I want somebody to love. Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends. With a little help from my friends. Great welcome for my clothes sa buong GMA, kaya welcome sa Real Magkakaalin, Miss Linet, sa aking family, sa aking SOP family, kay Miss Darling, Miss Hazel, at saka Gloomy, at sa may family ko, na maaga mag-ismo lang ngayon, gabi 6 na gabi po yan. At sa lahat ng aking kaibigan na nandito, sa
hawak din naman pala yun. Oo, labas natin. Labas natin. Uy, napag-exit ba? Oo, managyan na. Same. Teka lang. Teka lang. Sino?
Nax!
Hindi na alam.
Sabihin mo na. Pinuturo ko sa inyo, ha? Sige, kaibigan.
Happy birthday, Paul. And of course, it's the happy mood na para kay Paul today.
Happy birthday!
Yes.
Ano po yung mga
Up next, pakinggan ang mga songs na bali na sa Love Stories. Mula sa dalawang concert arts na super dami experience sa Patibig. Lana Angelina on Mr. and Miss J.
At bago yan, alamin muna natin kung sino-sino ang nominado sa Kapuso natin sa TAG Awards. Para sa inyong mga paboritong kapusong fashionista, kung saan nominado dyan si Paolo at si Hart. At ako bumoto, sandali.
Ayan!
Ayan, ready to recover kayo. Sana po pumili kayo.
Ayan!
Nakita ako sa bookstore, bilhin na bilhin ako. Binili ko lahat.
Ayan, bumoto. Panoorin niyo po ito.
Oh, sweet naman. Sana ako nila.
Even the simplest of fabrics look fabulous on that classic look. Carry it with style and class. It only one with 2 categories can be tapped as a Kapuso fashionista. The nominees for the category are Mayor Anthony Fernandez,